Hello and welcome back. Today I'll be showing you a nail art tutorial using the Dgel and Jini paint set. I did a review of the Dgel and Disney paint set a while back and why it is one of my favorites, so definitely go ahead and check out that video. I may be a bit biased when it comes to the Dgel paint set because it is one of my favorite gels when it comes to using it for drawing any kind of nail art. I will say that I love that they have the silicone caps so your gel doesn't spill out, so I'm loving that feature on these gel paints. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. I'm starting out with 2 coats of white as my base gel, and I'm going to be using a white from Ugly Duckling today. I'm going to create a checker design look, so I'm going to take my black and start drawing the design. Now to create this design, I'm going to draw one square first. This is going to give me an idea of how big I want my square to be. Once I like my square, I'm gonna go ahead and draw the line so that I know where the rest of my squares are going to be. Now I'm going to go ahead and draw all my squares all the way to the top of the tip. Once I'm done with all my squares, I'm going to go ahead and cure that, and I'm going to matte top coat that because I want everything to be nice and smooth for my next nail art design. So this set comes with 2 pinks, but I'm going to be using this darker pink for this art design to draw my Among Us character. I like to draw on my shape first and then color it in. As you can see, I started off with my detailer brush, but I will switch on over to my Leafgel Boarder brush because the detailer brush is going to take me too long to color in. The thing I love about using these gel paint is that it is so pigmented. You can see how it really covers the black checker design I created, but I will go over it one more time with a second coat because I really want this character to pop. In the white, I'm gonna go ahead and create the glass on the head, and again you can see how pigmented this white is, how the pink isn't showing through. I'm gonna go ahead and start outlining my character to make everything kind of come together. As I was outlining my character, I realized how the leg is a little bit smaller. So I over outlined so that I can go back in with the pink. And then I'm just going to fill in that little gap. And this is usually how I would fix any kind of mistake. If the leg is too small or the eyes is too small, I usually would just overline it and go back and fill it in. I'm going to go ahead and add all the details to my character. And then I'm going to matte top coat this design and you will see the finished look. Here is the final look. As you can see how pigmented these gel paints are. I hope you enjoyed this design and let me know if this would be a gel set you want to invest in. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!